CatWay Halloween cat nest installation video. Put the sign and roof aside for later use. Take the pumpkin door and arch door. Fold along the dotted line according to the text prompts. Insert the inserts with the same number into the holes. Take out the part connected to the roof on the back. Assemble it in the same way according to the text prompts. Fold the white edges of the house in advance. Stand up the 4 walls of the house. Connect the walls to each other in the number order. Warm reminder: press the insert all the way down and fully engage the hole, which makes the structure more stable. Note for roof installation before closing the roof. Insert a cat scratching board. Insert the sign into the gap in the middle of the roof. The cat house is installed. Open the pumpkin door. Welcome the kitten to move in. Installation instructions for the small pumpkin decoration.